Apple just released iOS 26.6. It's not a huge update because Apple is saving everything for iOS 27 this fall, but there's one change in here that actually matters a lot. In the release notes, Apple says this update optimizes the Spotlight Index to prepare for iOS 27 this fall. That sounds boring, but here's why it's a big deal. iOS 27's headline feature is the new Siri AI, and that AI needs your iPhone's Spotlight Index re-indexed to actually work. That re-indexing is a heavy background process. So what Apple's doing right now with 26.6 is getting a head start on that indexing quietly in the background. So when iOS 27 lands this fall, the transition is faster and smoother for you. Outside of that, 26.6 is pretty light. The only other real change, there is a new alert that pops up if you've blocked too many contacts. Bottom line, aside from the regular bug fixes and security patches, 26.6 is minor, but it's laying the groundwork for the biggest Siri overhaul yet. Update now, and iOS 27 will hit the ground running. Don't forget to follow for more.